Hello guys, welcome to another lab session. In this lab, we are going to discuss about register keyword. We will do the discussion about why we use register keyword, and then afterwards we will do some hands-on lab on the register keyword. So let's jump into the discussion. The main purpose of register keyword is to extract the information from the running command. So what do it mean by that? Suppose if you are running a task and you want to use the output of that task into another task, so register keyword comes very handy to get those information. It is really very handy for debugging purpose. So let's look into that. So here I have already explained you what we are doing with the register keyword. We are extracting the information from the running command. So we will do the same thing on this lab. So let's see what actually inside the lab. So basically it is telling that we have to create a playbook and then we will need to write this thing in the playbook. Within the playbook, when I write it, then I will show you what actually it is doing. So let's do it now. So jump into the terminal, come here, clear it. I will explain you all this. So here we will create a playbook called register keyword demo.yml, and within that you come here, copy paste. If you are following along with me, you do the same thing, and you come over here, copy it and paste it. After that you just need to save it. Control X and save it. Prior to executing this, I wanted to explain you that what actually it is doing. So the first line we are telling that you should run in the same machine where Ansible is being installed, and that is a controller machine. And here we are performing a task with the name register keyword demo, and here we are telling that find the text file in this directory, and then afterwards we are telling that you should register this variable within this find underscore output variable, and after that we are calling this variable and printing it. So it is very simple exercise. Let's look into that. So if you go there in the temp file, I will show you what we have kept here. So here you will find that we are keeping two text file and one Excel file. So when it will run, then it will search for this two file and it will give into the outputs. So let's run it. So to run it, I already told you use Ansible -playbook -i. You remember why we are using -i? It is for inventory, which is referring in this location. And then afterward, name of the playbook. What is the name? The register keyword demo.yml. Now we will run it and let's see the output, what the output is coming for this. It is still executing it. Now it went to the task. We have done some mistakes, so let's rectify it. Go into the file again and look into what mistake we have done. So the mistake over here is so guys, this error looks very interesting. See here, the error is because of this space. We have given the space. We should remove it. Never ever give that a space. Now we can save it and try to run it again and try it again. It is executing. Bingo. See here. Now because of a space we got the error. So here what it is doing, he has given the output. So here it found two files, text file 1 and text file 2. So that's what we told that. With all this, if you go inside that, then you will find that what we have done here, we have used this register keyword. So while executing, when they are performing, whatever the information it found at the time of running, it is pushing into this variable, and that variable we are used for debugging, and we are telling that print those variables. So that's it guys. See you in the next lab. Bye bye.